Hello, math students. This is Module 3, Rational Numbers, and Lesson 10, Symmetry on a Coordinate Plane. And so the name of our lesson is Symmetry on a Coordinate Plane. Our goal for today we will practice plotting ordered pairs and their opposites. The question that I want you to think about during the lesson is, what do you notice about a point and its opposite on the coordinate plane? All right, so in order to figure out the answer to that question, we need to do some practice. So things to know, it says graph the points. So, and we have to be very specific in our color choice because the directions say that we have to use a specific color. So I'm going to try to find all of those colors as we go. So we'll see. It looks like the only one I'm missing is pink. So I'll have to dig and see if I can find a pink. Sorry, let me make sure I have my pen bag and see if I can locate a pink here really quickly. I'm not trying to stall, I just have to find it. Okay, found it. Here we go. So it says plot 5, 3 in red. So what I'm going to do before I do that, however, is I would like to put my value marks on the line. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10. Okay, so I've got some value lines gone on my coordinate plane, and it says to plot 5, 3. So that means I'm going to go to the right 5 and up 3. And until you get used to doing this, I want you to write that because it's going to tell your brain what to do. So to the right 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up 3, 1, 2, 3. So that sits about right there. So that is 5, 3. Okay, so now it says plot -5, 3 in red. So that means -5 means I go to the left 5 and up 3 because it's still a positive 3. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. So that's about here. And so this ordered pair is -5, 3. And check that out. That's interesting. Okay. So now it says to use pink, so let's do that. It says to go to the right 2 and up 7. So I'm going to go to the right 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's about here. So this point would be 2, 7. And then this one says plot 2, -7 in pink, so that means I go to the right 2, but down 7 this time. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, over 2 is about here. So this one would be 2, -7, right? Okay, and that's in pink, so that one's sitting there and that one's sitting there. Interesting. Okay, now it says to use blue. So in blue, it says plot 1, 9 in blue. So that means I'm going to go to the right 1 and up 9. So I have to go to the right 1 and up 9. That's 7, 8, 9. So that one is going to be, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's here. So this is 1, 9. And then it says plot -1, 9 in blue. So I go to the left 1 and up 9 because it's a positive 9. So 1 to the left and up to 9 is here. So this one is -1, 9. That one sits right there. That one sits right there. Interesting. Okay, so those are done. And the last one it tells me to do is plot 3, 2 in green. So that means I have to go to the right 3 and up 2. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That sits right there. So this one was 3, 2. And then this one says go to the right 3, but this time it says go down 2. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and that one sits right there. So 3, negative 2. Interesting. So they almost look like they're opposites of each other. Look. So this one over here, this one over here, this one down to here, this one down to here. Interesting. Okay, now it says connect each same colored point with a line and tell me what you notice. So if I connect these two through a line, look at what happened there. Interesting. Okay, and now let's try this one. If I connect these two through a line, again, pretty interesting, yeah. Okay, and then I'm supposed to connect these two through a line. Oops, sorry. That's pretty interesting, right? And then lastly, it says to connect these two through a line. Okay, and so what I'm seeing is that they have at least one spot in common. This point, these 2 points have 9 in common. These 2 points have 2 in common. These 2 points have 3 in common. And these 2 points have 3 in common. Okay? So, basically, anytime that you plot an ordered pair and its opposite, you basically are going to be creating a straight line of symmetry. Because if I was to take this coordinate plane and fold it right along the y-axis, and you see it, the dots line up. That's pretty cool. Okay, there's a red dot right there and a blue dot right there. And then if I was to take this line and fold it in half on the x-axis, the 2 greens line up and the 2 pinks line up. So basically what you're seeing when you do an ordered pair and its opposite is that it's creating this vision of symmetry. And symmetry means that when you fold something in half, it matches up directly with its opposite or its other point. And so that's pretty cool. So kind of interesting to think about and remember that everything on the left-hand side of your horizontal axis is negative, and everything on the bottom side of your vertical axis is negative, and so they're opposites of each other. And they're equal distance. This one was 1 away, this one is 1 away. This one is 5 away, this one is 5 away. This one is 7 up, this one is 7 down, this one is 2 down, and this is 2 up, and so they have that in common. Okay? All right. Today we will practice plotting ordered pairs and their opposites, which is what we just did. What do you notice about a point and its opposite on the coordinate plane? It's in the exact same spot if you fold the coordinate plane on the axis that it shares. Okay? All right, kiddos, that's all I have for you in this lesson. Talk to you soon. Bye!